Hi guys, Colin here. This time I'm actually on the south side of Haskell's campus. Right here is the Haskell golf course and driving range where I and Doug sometimes come out here and hit a few golf balls around. And there's an old softball diamond here that's hardly ever used anymore. And I'm actually going to take you on. Oh, there's some more of the dormitories and things over there. Over here is where I did the update at the powwow grounds. Well, it's further that way, way off over that way. But I thought we would go down this little road today and take a trip to the Haskell Medicine Wheel, which is on the south side of campus. And for now, I'm going to let you go, and I'll break back in here when we get to the medicine wheel, because we have quite a little distance to walk here. And I'll be right back with you. Hi, I'm back, and we are at the Haskell Medicine Wheel. Now, you really can't tell from this vantage point, so I'm going to include an aerial photograph of the area, but this is the Haskell Medicine Wheel, and it was dedicated in 1992. I think it took them 2 or 3 years to get it all built, and it was built by Haskell students, faculty, and a crop artist named Stan Hurd. So if you get a chance, look up crop artist Stan Hurd, and you will see all kinds of stuff of his crop art that he has done in Kansas and everywhere else. This is my first time back here since 1990s again. I came here once because I used to work as a yearbook photographer for Haskell and in television production. And I haven't been back here since. It's supposed to be a place to come meditate, pray, you know, or just enjoy the outdoors here. It's a pretty huge land sculpture, which you'll see better from the air, because there's a medicine wheel here, and then way over towards that direction is a thunderbird, which you can't really see unless you're up in the sky. And just thought I'd walk around here, and as far as the music goes, I might have been listening to again back then is Porno for Pyros on a tape. And if you don't know who Porno for Pyros is, you might know Jane's Addiction. And this has the same singer from Jane's Addiction, Perry Farrell. I and Pete, one of my other friends from back then, I may have mentioned before, used to listen to this quite a bit. And we'll just kind of walk a ways here. And I'm going to leave this here. This is kind of a little place for offerings. And I won't show that too much, just out of respect. And we'll just kind of take a little walk here. As I said, there's not too much you can tell from looking, just walking through here. And here's a fire pit. And the medicine wheel, actually, if you kind of read up on it, is very complicated. I guess you'll have to look up medicine wheel, or just look up the Haskell medicine wheel, and it'll give a whole history of it and the meanings behind it. It means 4 directions and stuff to do with the different solstices throughout the year. And we're just getting around here. to this part of the circle. And back over that direction is the Thunderbird. This is nice. Actually, today's the first nice day we've had in a while because it's been rainy and stormy and crazy summer here. We're having spring in the summertime. And I know a lot of people have been getting tornadoes and storms. I just thought I'd come take a walk around here and meditate a little bit. I'll have to come back through here again and walk around better. Maybe after I'm done filming this. I just thought I'd come walk around here and show you the medicine wheel. And thanks for coming along with me. Working my way back to the entrance. It took a while to get back here, about 10-15 minutes. This is actually close to the Haskell wetlands too, where they do a lot of studying the environment type stuff. I know there's some endangered frogs and that sort of thing around. And I'm getting back to the entrance here. So get ready to head back that way. But as I'm leaving here, I wanted to wish all of you who might be having problems in this world some well thought wishes and prayers for your family and friends. I know Rob Paniques is having some family health issues. Adam Lee, I wish you well all the time. And everyone else out there in the BC too. I wish all of you my best wishes and prayers and thoughts and everything. Also to my friends and family. I wish you all I wish you all well and prayers. And I guess that's about it for this little trip, guys. Thanks for taking little soundtracks with me. Over and out.